Have you ever stared into the night sky and wondered how our galaxy, the Milky Way, came to be? The tale of its formation is as expansive as the universe itself, starting around 13 billion years ago with the Big Bang. This colossal explosion gave birth to the universe as we know it, and from its fiery aftermath, the first atoms of hydrogen and helium were formed. These atoms, light and abundant, began to coalesce under the influence of gravity, forming the first stars. These stellar nurseries became the building blocks of galaxies, including our own Milky Way. But there's another player in this cosmic drama: dark matter. This mysterious substance, invisible and yet overwhelmingly present, played a crucial role in the formation of the Milky Way, its powerful gravitational pull helping to shape our galaxy and continues to do so even today. That's the brief story of our galaxy, born from the remnants of the Big Bang and shaped by dark matter. But the universe doesn't stop at our galaxy, does it? Indeed, the cosmos is a vast expanse, teeming with countless galaxies, each brimming with stars. Imagine billions of galaxies, each hosting billions of stars, a number so immense it boggles the mind. And within this cosmic sea, could there be other life forms? As we ponder, we realize the universe's enormity is matched only by its mystery. It's a vast, mysterious universe out there, far beyond our Milky Way. Now, let's bring it back home to our very own planet Earth. Born from the remnants of the solar nebula, Earth began as a fiery ball of molten rock. As it cooled, the outer layer solidified to form a thin crust. This process allowed for the emergence of oceans and eventually an atmosphere. The interplay of these elements set the stage for life as we know it, and thus our Earth was born, a beautiful blue dot in the vast cosmos. But what about life on Earth and its incredible biodiversity? It's a tale that starts with single-celled organisms, the building blocks of life, which emerged around 3.5 billion years ago. Over time, these simple cells evolved, becoming more complex and diverse, setting the stage for a variety of species we could hardly imagine. As life continued to evolve and flourish, Earth faced several catastrophic extinction events. Notably, the Permian extinction around 250 million years ago wiped out nearly 90% of all species. Yet, each extinction event paved the way for new life forms to emerge. The dinosaurs, for instance, made way for mammals after their extinction 65 million years ago. And amongst these mammals, an intelligent species arose: humans. Our impact on Earth's biodiversity has been profound and transformative, for better or worse. We've shaped the world around us, influencing the diversity of species that share our planet. From single-celled organisms to the vast array of species we see today, Earth's biodiversity truly is a testament to the